Some stories begin with light, but hers began in the dark, deep among the graves.
This is the story of a girl whose heart was too soft for the world, yet her path led her deep into the silence of the dead. In the daylight, Sara looked like any other young woman, but when night fell, she wandered among the tombstones, searching for peace in the company of the forgotten. She couldn't stand the sight of broken stones and dried flowers. To her, every grave was a story left unfinished, so she decided to give them care, to make them beautiful again, hoping someone somewhere would notice. She recorded her work and called her channel Grave Care by Sara. At first, people laughed, but soon they couldn't stop watching. There was something oddly comforting in her videos, as if even death smiled gently when she was around. Within weeks, her videos spread across the internet. Millions watched her bring life to forgotten graves. But some noticed strange things, shadows that moved when she didn't, whispers her microphone never caught. Viewers began commenting about faces in the fog and voices calling her name. Sara laughed it off, saying it was just the wind or the light playing with her lens. Yet the more she filmed, the more the cemetery seemed alive. Flowers she placed bloomed overnight. Shovels moved on their own. And then one night, while filming alone, something unseen began to breathe beside her. After that night, she couldn't sleep. Every time she closed her eyes, she heard the same whisper, calling her name from beneath the ground. She tried to stop visiting the cemetery, but it wouldn't let her. Her camera began turning on by itself at night, recording hours of silence and faint footsteps. When she reviewed the footage, she saw herself standing among the graves, even though she was home that night. From then on, she began to change. Her eyes grew darker, her voice softer, almost like she wasn't alone inside her skin anymore. Still, she kept filming, not for fame anymore, but because something inside her demanded it. Her followers grew worried. She stopped replying, stopped posting, except for one final video. In it, she didn't speak. She just stood there, staring into the camera while something moved behind her. The figure moved closer, and before it reached her, the camera fell and the screen went black. The next morning, her camera was found near an open grave, but Sara was gone. Locals say that at night, you can still hear her whispering among the graves, cleaning just like before. Some believe she became one of them, forever trapped in the silence she once tried to comfort. Weeks later, her channel came back to life. A new video uploaded itself. Titled only, "I'm Still Here."